Let me tell you the story of the mastermind that made Nutella, Kinder, and Ferrero Rocher. It all begins in a small town in Piedmont, Italy, where a humble baker named Pietro Ferrero dreamed of creating something extraordinary. What started as a small bakery would eventually become a global empire, thanks to Pietro's dedication and the genius of his son, Michele Ferrero. Michele was born into a world where chocolate wasn't just a treat, it was a craft. His father, Pietro, was obsessed with finding the perfect blend of cocoa and hazelnuts, a local ingredient in abundance. This passion led to the creation of a product called pasta gianduja, a thick chocolatey spread that became an instant hit in Italy. But Pietro couldn't have imagined what his son would do with this simple idea. When Pietro passed away, Michele was thrust into a leadership role at a young age. Faced with the challenge of running a growing business, Michele didn't just follow in his father's footsteps. He took bold risks that would transform the company forever. One of his first moves was to create a new chocolate spread called Super Crema, which was affordable and accessible to the average Italian family. This spread, which we now know as Nutella, revolutionized the way people enjoyed chocolate, turning it from a luxury into an everyday delight. Michele understood the power of marketing like few others of his time. He didn't just sell chocolate, he sold a dream. He sent trucks around Italy, giving out free samples to children, and quickly became known as a visionary in the industry. Under his leadership, Ferrero expanded beyond Italy, opening factories across Europe and eventually bringing Nutella to the world stage. But Michele's vision didn't stop there. In 1979, he introduced the world to Ferrero Rocher, a chocolate that would become synonymous with elegance and indulgence. Wrapped in gold foil and filled with layers of crunchy hazelnuts and creamy chocolate, Ferrero Rocher became a symbol of celebration and luxury. Michele's genius wasn't just in creating delicious products, it was in understanding the importance of brand identity. He knew that each product needed its own story, its own image. That's why he created brands like Kinder, specifically targeted at children, while keeping Ferrero Rocher as a high-end product for special occasions. What's truly remarkable about Michele Ferrero's journey is how he never lost sight of his roots. Despite his global success, he remained deeply connected to his hometown of Alba. He invested in the community, creating jobs, funding social programs, and ensuring that the Ferrero factory remained a place where employees felt valued and respected. When Michele Ferrero unfortunately passed away in 2015, he left behind not just a company, but a legacy of innovation, generosity, and unyielding dedication to quality. His story is a testament to the power of vision, the importance of staying true to your values, and the incredible impact that one person can have on the world.